Your engine is the most expensive mechanical system in your vehicle, yet most engines don't fail because of design flaws or bad luck. They fail because of oil mistakes, small, repeated decisions that slowly destroy internal parts until one day the engine simply gives up. These mistakes don't cause immediate breakdowns. Instead, they silently increase friction, heat, and wear mile after mile. By the time symptoms appear, the damage is already done. If you want your engine to last for life, oil is not just routine maintenance, it's a long-term strategy that determines whether your engine survives or slowly wears itself out. In this video, you're going to learn 10 oil secrets that mechanics, engine builders, and fleet operators rely on to push engines past 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles. These aren't myths, marketing slogans, or brand loyalty tips. They are real habits, real decisions, and real principles that directly control how fast your engine wears from the inside. Engines that last forever aren't lucky, they're protected correctly. The first secret is understanding what oil actually does inside your engine. Oil is not just a slippery substance that reduces noise. It is a pressurized, moving barrier that separates metal components operating at thousands of revolutions per minute. Pistons slide inside cylinders, crankshafts spin on bearings, camshafts push valves open and closed. All of this happens continuously. Without a stable oil film, metal touches metal. Friction spikes instantly, and microscopic damage begins. Once oil quality drops or oil flow is interrupted, wear accelerates exponentially. Most engines don't fail suddenly, they wear themselves down slowly, quietly, and invisibly. The second secret is that oil is also a critical cooling system. Your radiator and coolant can only manage external heat. Many internal components, especially crankshaft bearings, cam journals, turbocharger bearings, and piston undersides, rely entirely on oil to remove heat. As oil circulates, it absorbs heat and carries it away from areas the cooling system can't reach. When oil degrades, thickens, or breaks down, its ability to move heat drops sharply. Hotspots form inside the engine, causing oil oxidation, bearing fatigue, and warped components. Many engines run within temperature limits, yet suffer oil-related damage long before the dashboard ever shows a warning. Secret number 3 is viscosity and why thicker oil is not automatically better. Many drivers believe heavier oil offers more protection, especially in older or high-mileage engines. In reality, oil that is too thick flows slower, particularly during cold starts. Cold starts are when up to 70% of total engine wear occurs. If oil can't reach critical components immediately, bearings and cam surfaces run dry for precious seconds. Using oil thicker than the manufacturer specifies may actually increase wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and starve type tolerance components of lubrication, even if the oil itself is high quality. Secret 4 is synthetic oil chemistry. Synthetic oils are engineered at the molecular level to be more uniform, more stable, and more resistant to heat, oxidation, and shear forces. They maintain their viscosity across a wider temperature range and resist breakdown under stress. This matters most in modern engines with turbochargers, direct injection, variable valve timing, and tight internal clearances. Conventional oil can still work, but synthetic oil offers a much larger safety margin, especially during long oil change intervals, extreme temperatures, heavy loads, and aggressive driving conditions. The fifth secret most drivers overlook is oil filter quality. Oil filters do more than catch dirt. They regulate oil flow, maintain pressure, and control bypass behavior during cold starts or high RPM operation. Cheap filters often use weak filter media, poor quality bypass valves, and thin internal construction. When a filter fails to trap fine metal particles, those particles circulate through bearings and cam surfaces like liquid sandpaper. Even the best oil can't protect an engine if contaminants are constantly recirculated. A premium oil paired with a cheap filter still leads to accelerated internal wear. Secret 6 is oil change intervals and why lifetime or extended intervals are misleading. Oil degrades not just by mileage, but by time, heat cycles, moisture, fuel dilution, and driving style.
Short trips, stop-and-go traffic, towing, heavy loads, and excessive idling destroy oil far faster than steady highway driving. As oil ages, detergents become depleted, contaminants accumulate, and sludge begins to form. Sludge restricts oil passages, clogs piston rings, and reduces oil pressure. Engines that fail early often show signs of oil starvation long before catastrophic failure occurs. Secret 7 is oil level monitoring. Low oil is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine, yet many drivers never check it between oil changes. Modern engines can consume oil without visible leaks, especially under high RPM or long highway driving. Running even 1 quart low reduces oil pressure, cooling capacity, and lubrication margin. On the other hand, overfilling oil can be just as dangerous. Excess oil can foam, introducing air into the oil film and drastically reducing lubrication. The correct oil level is a narrow window, and staying within it matters more than most drivers realize. Secret 8 is contamination, the silent killer. Fuel dilution, moisture, combustion byproducts, soot, and microscopic metal particles build up in oil over time. Modern oils contain detergents and dispersants designed to suspend these contaminants, but they have limits. Once oil becomes overloaded, sludge forms. Sludge blocks oil passages, starves bearings, sticks piston rings, and restricts valve train lubrication. Engines with severe sludge damage often look perfectly fine on the outside, yet are already dying internally. Secret 9 is driving behavior. How you drive directly affects how long your oil and your engine last. Aggressive acceleration, sustained high RPM, heavy loads, and constant short trips all shorten oil life dramatically. Short trips are especially damaging because oil never reaches full operating temperature long enough to evaporate moisture and fuel vapors. Engines that are warmed properly, driven smoothly, and operated at steady speeds consistently last far longer even with the same oil and maintenance schedule. The 10th and final secret is consistency. Engines that last forever aren't maintained randomly or emotionally. They receive the same oil type, the same viscosity, consistent oil change intervals, quality filters, and regular monitoring. Constantly switching oil brands, chasing marketing claims, or ignoring early warning signs introduces unnecessary risk. Long-lasting engines are built on boring, repeatable maintenance done correctly every single time. Engine oil is not just about keeping your car running today. It determines whether your engine slowly wears itself out or quietly keeps going long after most vehicles are scrapped. The right oil, used correctly, protects every internal component you never see: bearings, rings, cam lobes, timing systems, and journals that decide whether your engine lives or dies. If you respect oil, understand what it actually does, and stop making the common mistakes most drivers never question, your engine can last far longer than you ever expected. Oil doesn't just protect your engine, it decides its future.